Hello guys, so I wish this next video is going to be faster. Um, so what we want to do is well, I've already said in the last video, we need to complete that function here. Since now we are checking if the token is what we have in database. If it is not, it's going to return this error message. That's fine. So what we need to do now is to fetch from the user table. I'm going to use my login. Process login, not this. And use almost everything I have here, which is from here down here. I believe that's where it stops. Okay, the for loop ends here. I'll copy that and bring here and just indent it a little bit. So what I have done is to, after ensuring that, let's make this bigger. After making sure that this token is correct, I would come in here. I need to get this too, otherwise it's going to throw errors. Okay, so what I'm doing now is going into my users table or users folder, fetching all the users and checking if and trying to fetch the user from the users folder so that I can now update the contents. So I'm going into the users table or users folder. I'm going through each of them until I get to the one I need, which is the one whose email is the same as this. And I'm going to get that user and save it into the user object. So I'm going to update each part of that user. Well, I need to update just the email. I need to update just the password. So I'm going to get that password and reset the value of that password. Of course, I don't need this. I also don't need this part. Okay, so I'm going to reset the password to the new password that was sent here. And don't forget, we obviously need to hash it. So let's get the hashing algorithm from register, which is this one right here. So I'll come here and process reset. Yes, I'm in the right place. Hash the password and put that right there. Okay. So now my password is this, but I need to save this password into this file again. So there are several ways you can do it. You can decide to update the file, but I think the easiest way to do it is to just delete this file and recreate it again, because I've already saved the content of this file here. So I have it on my system now, or in my program. I can delete this file and recreate it down here. In PHP, to delete a file, you use a function called onLink. Let's just see, delete file in PHP, W3 schools. It's quite straightforward. The file and the location of the file, that's all you need. The file, the location of the file. So copy that and come down here. What we want to do is to delete this particular file here. That file has been deleted, or you can say user data deleted. Okay, and then we can now recreate just like we normally create users here. So we are resetting the password and now sending the user object, which has a new password now, here. Okay, this might not work. It might work, I don't know. Let's just try it out and see what happens. And after doing all that, we send the message to them on the login page and tell them password reset successful. Reset successful. You can now log in. Let's take this out, and we're sending them to the login page. Okay, we can try this out now. There might be errors. I don't know. I'm not sure yet. Well, I need to bring this. I need to bring this up here. Yes, that's better. Yeah. So we have a password reset now. Let's try it out. Let's try it out. Refresh this. Password reset successful. You cannot log in, but we can't know for sure. So let's try the process from the beginning till the end. I'm going to register a new user. New user. I'm going to call the email new user, and the password is going to be 123456. Hopefully I don't forget. It's going to be patient, successful, new user 123456. Login works, everything works. So let's try to reset that password. Okay, I need to. So I just noticed that I've not. Let me show you what just happened now. New user 123456. Login. I have not actually done this function here, which is fine. We are still going to take care of it. So I need to log out before I can do this. So let's try that. New user and just send password reset. Hopefully it still works well. It's taking a few seconds. We're expecting it to drop here. Okay, the reset has been sent and it is here. You can see send it to new user. Okay, we can copy this and use in our page. And it's asking me to reset my password now. And now I can enter my password, new user. Remember, my old password is 123456. I'm going to change it now to 098765. So going from the back. Reset password, password reset successful. Let me try to log in with 123456. Say it is invalid. Let's try to log in with 098765 and login works. So we have been able to configure to make our password reset work well. You can even you can do something like send an email to the user after the password has been reset, because different things happen in life and sometimes people need to be aware that they've done something. So if for whatever reason your system has been compromised or the user account has been compromised, at least inform them when such reset happens behind their back. So let's see, let's send an email. Where are we sending the email? We are sending the email from forgot password, process forgot. Let's just copy the email, just like this. Yeah, let's copy the email. No, we don't need the message, we just need to send the email. And then let's use it here, right after, before redirecting them away, right here. So let's comment it so it's clear. Inform user of password reset. Okay, let's close it here. Inform user of password reset ends. Of course, I don't need this. It's irrelevant for this page. I need this to move up. So let's change our content. Password reset successful. And then your email, your account associated with blah blah blah. Your account on SNH has just been updated. Your password has changed. If you did not, let's wrap this. If you did not, I was wrapping before. Okay, initiate the password change. Please log in. Visit, let's just say visit snh.org and reset your password immediately. So this is telling them, just in case you didn't do the password change, please go and do yours now. We are still going to leave the headers the same way. The email is still going to be email, the subject is still subject, message is still message, header is still header. All right, so let's just try the process one more time and be sure that everything actually works. I'm going to log out again and try to reset my password for new user. I'll get the code here. I got the code here. I'm going to copy this and try to use here. And then I'm asked to reset my password for new user. My new password, which is now my old password, 0 was 098 blah blah blah. I'm going to change it back to 123456. 123456. And click on reset. Token expired or email invalid. Did I already delete the email, the token? No, I did not. So there must be something wrong somewhere. I'm going to try that again. New user. Oh, it brought me back to login page already. Okay, I need to go back and fetch this and try to use here. Okay, that's fine. This is new user. And my new password is going to be 123456. Password reset, and it is not working. I'm not sure why it's not working right now. I'm sure we probably did something wrong here. It said password reset failed, token invalid. So it came right down here. Something is wrong somewhere. Did I receive my user in the DB? I did. My user is here. My password is in place. So I'm not sure what is wrong right now. I'm going to test it. I'm going to end this video and test it, find out what the problem is, and probably talk about it in the next video. In the next video, we'll just be doing, we'll be updating this page so that 98765, I think. Okay, we'll be fixing this part so we can reset our password after logging in too.